Okay, today we're going to talk about how to input an MLS listing, and you all have your RealTrax account, so just go to your RealTrax website and go ahead and put in your username and password and we'll log in. Alright, next on this screen, to be able to add a new listing, we want to go up here to My Page, add Edit Listing. It'll open up a new tab. And here we're going to see these three things at the top, and we want to create a new listing. So we go to New Listing, and then here we're going to select our property type and all this other information. If you notice, some fields are blue and some are black. Just recall that the blue fields are required, the black fields are not. Doesn't mean you should not use the black fields, just means that they're not a required field in order to get to the next step. So we're going to pick a property, and over on the left side I have another screen. So again, the other side that you don't see is a screen that has my MLS and tax ID. I'll drag that over just real quick so you can see it. I keep these open on another screen because this is the information that's going to be relevant and help you in filling out this MLS input sheet. So I pulled an old MLS for this particular property, the most recent one, and then I pulled the tax ID for it. Not all properties are going to have this, but if they do, it's extremely helpful. Okay, so now we're going to select the property type, and we're doing a residential, so we'll go ahead and select residential. Now the list price for whatever it is you want to sell it for, in this case we'll just say $200,000. I need to put the MLS area that it is located in, and that's area 21. I want to put in the street number. I want to give it the street name. The less is more, just remember that. Don't try to put Cornwall Court or Street or Drive, just put Cornwall and then we'll see what comes up. You don't need to put the last name, you can, but it's not relevant. As long as you have the street number, it should always pull the right one. Here we're going to look up tax information. And this pulled up the correct property, 1003 Cornwall Court. We select that property. And then that throws in the tax ID number and fills out some other relevant information on the next screen. And we're going to hit Save and Edit. And then we come to this screen here, and we're going to work on this top portion for this video, and then we'll have another one. We're going to put in the zip code, which is 37129. The listing type here, 10 out of 10, it's going to probably be right here, exclusive right to sell. Unless you're the actual agent that owns the home, then of course you can select the owner agent. And then down here on this next part, we'll do this one real quick here. We're going to call the showing center, and then we want to fill out our compensation to the agents that bring an offer. And for the sub, we're going to do 0. Facilitator is typically 3, and the buyer is 3. Of course, if you have different rates, then you go ahead and put those in there. And then that's it for this video, and we'll continue with another one.